Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your location on Snapchat Maps. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do so, there is one thing that you can do by Snapchat as well, and which is quite good and easy as well. All you gotta do is go to this location section, simply tap on it and tap on this ghost mode. So I have tapped on stay if I am staying in ghost mode. If I turn it off, I can tap on shared location. So now my location is shared. This settings icon on top, and I'm going to turn on the ghost mode, and then the ghost mode is now turned on. That means nobody will be able to check out where I am or how I am, simply because I have gone to ghost mode, and that is the easiest way for you to simply not let anyone know your location. And that is basically it. But I will highly recommend you simply going to Snapchat, tapping on your icon, and simply turning on this ghost mode, and not being available to be available to see or to be seen by anybody else. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.